Hi guys, Nell here from Dad Speak. So today, I'll be making a very quick and easy recipe na pwedeng magawa ng kahit na sinong tao o sinong tatay sa bahay nila. So I'll be making an air-fried banana bread here dito sa condo namin kasi alam niyo naman, 'di ba, pag condo, we cannot really have an oven. Well, siguro dun sa mga high-end na mga condo, pero for us hindi naman kami ganun kayaman. My daughter loves bananas, so I'll be making a banana bread for her and para sa misis ko. Para naman bukas paggising nila, matutuwa sila kasi meron tayong hinanda for them. I used Grab earlier to buy the supplies that I needed. If you guys are looking for a fast, convenient, and easy way to get your produce or to get your groceries, I highly suggest that you use Grab because they have this Grab Pabili and Grab Mart. Grab Mart specifically focuses on supermarkets or local stores near you, and Grab Pabili focuses on the things that you might want to have them purchase for you na wala dun sa mga stores. So, pwede sila sa palengke. Use Grab Pabili and Grab Mart earlier para bilhin yung mga kailangan ko. So, usually naman, it's just flour, bananas, you know, the usual stuff for banana bread. So, medyo mahaba na tong intro na to, no? So, I'll be showing you how I made this air-fried banana bread for everyone. So, dads, moms, and those people na hindi talaga marunong mag-bake like me, let's go! So, here are the ingredients for our air-fried banana bread. So, we will be needing 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of sugar, 1/2 tablespoon of salt, 1/2 tablespoon of baking soda, 2 whole eggs, 1 cup mashed banana. Mas prefer natin dito yung overripe kasi mas matamis sila. 1/2 cup cooking oil at 1/2 tablespoon ng vanilla extract. First step is to sift all of the dry ingredients. So we add in the flour, the sugar, salt, then baking soda. Then start na nating isift. As you can see, may mga malalaking piraso pa. Try nyo durugin using a spoon or whisk. Pero kung ayaw na, huwag nyo na ipilit, tapon nyo na lang. Set aside the dry ingredients. Next, we will prepare the bananas. I prefer to use overripe bananas because they're sweeter. So, ito yung pinaka-overripe dun sa binili ko. Now, imamash na natin siya. So, ayun, no? Medyo mahirap pala kapag whisk yung gamit natin. So, old school na lang, gamit tayo ng tinidor. I prefer na medyo buo-buo pa yung bananas, pero nasa sa inyo if gusto nyong pino. Then, set it aside. Get a mixing bowl to combine all of the ingredients. Add in the bananas, then the eggs, the cooking oil. So for this one, I use soya oil, pero you can use other neutral tasting oils naman. Then vanilla extract. Then mix lang natin ng maigi. Then we will add our dry ingredients. Add half of the dry ingredients first, then mix. Pero don't overmix otherwise titigas ang tinapay natin. Add the remaining dry ingredients. Then mix again. So pag wala ng buo-buong flour, yung mixture, okay na yan. Set aside and prepare your containers. Nilagyan ko na din siya ng onting oil para di dumikit yung bread natin pag binig. So, fill lang natin yung mga containers until 3/4 full para di umapaw yung bread natin kapag nag-expand siya during baking. Place your mixture on the air fryer, then set it at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. habang nag-ahantay, magugas muna tayo ng plato kasi baka madatnan pa to ni Mrs. bukas. So, ayun nga, medyo nakalimutan ko lagyan ng foil, kaya ayan, luto na yung taas, but yung loob hindi pa. So, balik natin siya for 15 minutes. Babaan lang natin yung temperature kasi baka masunog pa lalo. So, ayan, muntik nang masunog yung taas, pero okay pa rin siya. Kasi tingnan mo, may nagising dahil sa amoy.
A few moments later.
Yep, kinabukasan na to at nilagay ko muna siya sa ref kagabi after ko siyang mabake. So ngayon, isa-slice ko na siya. So here is the finished product. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and please give us a like. And if you like this video, please share it to your friends as well para mas marami pang makakita ng recipe natin. Thank you! Bye!